There came content resource management, CRM. You are working on inside a CRM, creating contents, and back in the industry is being, shown look and feel. We call UX design and all, and then research certainly has increased into machine translation tool or research, and that's how this LLM came into picture. It is we, language people, who have helped development of these LLMs, and we have created those LLMs in a way, and we cannot be threatened by our own, creation. We are humans, so we have to be smart enough. Certainly, that LLM is a collaborative word, but we as humans still have liberty to become smarter and make use of these LLMs, which is now AI, and still create a hybrid ecosystem. Because whether it is online interpretation through AI or whether it is translation through AI, still you need your human intervention. Because if you don't vet that, you are at the risk. Recently, what this AI is doing is a big danger. AI does hallucinations. AI even at times changes, names of people. So if you blindly depend on AI, when it translates, it fills those gaps which are not there in your content. They at times add some information. They at times delete those information, or at times change the facts totally. So there comes, the human intervention. And if you learn the technique of using this AI exact platform, you can do wonders. So content that we were producing, let's say 10 pages earlier, we started producing 20 pages. Now AI, with the help of AI, you can use 100 or 200, 300 pages in a day. So volume has increased. Why volume has increased? So we play on volume. We do not play on rates. Earlier we were taught to fix rates. Look for you create your benchmark. You don't go below that. If you remain on that benchmark, you are wiped out, my friends. So now the benchmark, low cost. And the more you deliver, the more you earn. Why? Because AI is there to help you. It is no more, that traditional thing which is working. And if you are living in illusion, my friends, I'm telling you, you will be wiped out as a translator or an interpreter. So the volume game is there. Certainly, there are some premium people who have already created benchmark, including in law. There are some lawyers who charge millions of dollars, for a single appearance. But that is not happening. That is not a norm. The norm is you have to play with volume now. And that volume game comes through AI. So this is, the role that is expanding, my friend. Just imagine from these four to now, what is now the most recent one, activities, and what is hybrid translation, interpretation, again hybrid mode, again AI, platform licensing, DTP, certainly document design is there. MT integral research has increased from 12% to 17%. And the most important increase is AI solution architecture. What is this architecture? Now people want a package. They don't want translation because system has evolved. Everybody is working on some other architecture, So you learn to make use of those architecture and provide full solution. For example, full website, let's say in English, French, German, full ad, everything in one particular language, just ready to, click, we call it. So it is rising like anything, my friend. And for that, we need to learn some important points that I will cover in the next slide. And that is...
Don't forget to subscribe to Modlingua channel, friends.